Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. Today we'll see some basic commands of Linux and after that we'll see how to work with files and directories in Linux. So let's begin. So first type the command ls-la. So this will display entry in long listing format and also show the hidden files. Now we'll type another command ls-alh. So it will show size in human readable formats such as bytes, megabytes and kilobytes. Now clear the screen. To list files and directories from different locations, we'll give some command like ls dash var dash log. Now we'll create a directory dash p slash me slash home slash Samir. Now I'll clear the screen. So we'll go to directory cd, give the command cd slash home slash Samir. Now you can type the command pwd for to check it will like print working directory. It means so we are in the slash home slash semi directory and here we'll see some commands like if we give cd dot dot so it will take one directory up. So and go to the root directory, we'll type simple cd slash and go to the previous directory. So you can give command cd dash and now go to the home directory, simply give cd. So I will clear the screen. Now we'll see how to create files. So we can simply give command like touch, give the file devops dot pdf spelling mistake, touch devops dot pdf. So you can also use the absolute path for creating files. So give command like touch slash home slash samir slash devops dot pdf. So press enter. Now we can go cd slash home slash samir. Now you can do ls. So here you can see the file we created devops.pdf. We can type cd to go to the home directory. Now we'll see how to create directories. So write the command mkdir. First clear this screen. Mkdir and give the command, not command like the directory name. So I'll give Linux. Now the next command we'll see how to copy files from a file to this directory Linux that we have created now. So give command cp and the source uh, devops dot pdf and the destination is Linux and give forward slash. So go to the directory Linux, reading Linux, and give ls. So here you can see the file got copied. So that's all from this video. We'll see more command in another video.